Hi Stampers, I'm Nancy from Stampin' Shout, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So every week I pick a Stampin' Up stamp and then I do a daily how-to video at noon. So I like to call it Nancy at Noon, so you guys will remember it really quick and easy. And speaking of quick, so are my videos. My videos are very short, so you can watch them from start to finish and learn how to use the stamps, maybe learn a couple of techniques and tips, and get inspired to create your own card. So my videos are less than 15 minutes. So I do all the fast forwarding for you, so there's no need for you to rush through. And I have all the information on my website at stampinshout.blogspot.com, so you can get all the sizes there, the colors, and also shopping links. If you do shop with me, I appreciate it so much. Also, I'm available. If you have any questions, you can email me or leave them in the comments. Speaking of comments, anyone who leaves a comment will be entered to win today's card. So every day I do a video, someone will win the card. So I have 5 cards, 5 videos, and 5 winners. And today's card is right here. It's a Fast Friday card. And the stamp set is Brewed for You. And it also comes with the die set. So let's get started. So the supplies I'm using. The base is crushed curry, and it's 5.5 by 4 1/4. And then I have a layer of black that's 5 1/4 by 4. I have a piece of white that is 5 by 3 3/4. Then for the focal point, I have a matte piece that's 4 by 2 3/4. That's crushed curry, and white 3 3/4 by 2 1/2. But again, don't worry, because all that information will be on my website. Then I took a piece of designer series paper. Actually, I have 2 pieces of designer series paper, and I cut a square out, and then I cut it diagonally. So I'm going to use each piece to create our card. And this designer series paper is called Delightfully Eclectic, and I have used it all week on all my die cards this week, and it's 48 sheets. This pack comes in 48 sheets. It's so big I can hardly hold it. 12 by 12, double-sided. And let me tell you, it is beautiful, beautiful paper. The pretzel paper I used in yesterday's video. We had a pretzel and beer card, but it has great, great colors, great designs for guys and gals, and it's just amazing. Amazing paper and amazing economically. It's really a good deal. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do, I think, before I do anything, is I'm going to stamp on here in Memento and stamp OL yes. OL yes. I'm going to stamp it right in the middle here. Now that's actually going to be the back of our card, but I wanted to stamp it first before I glued everything together in case I made a mistake, I could flip it over and stamp again. But that turned out pretty good. I'm happy with that. So then I'm going to take our inside piece and I am going to stamp again with the black. And I'm going to stamp the sentiment that's in this stamp set. And it says, "Another round for your birthday." And I'm going to stamp that right in the center. Just like that. Next, I'm going to bring in a couple of scraps. And I'm going to stamp again in the black ink, Memento black ink. And I'm going to stamp the mug. And then I'm going to stamp the beer foam. And then I'm going to bring in this little stamp. That little stamp right there, that's a filler stamp. That's going to fill our mug with beer. And I'm going to stamp that in crushed curry. So these are the polymer stamps, so you can see through them. So it makes it pretty easy to line up. Just like that. So now I'm going to bring in my dies. So I got one for the foam and one for the mug. And I'm just going to line that up and cut it out, and I'll be right back. So I have those pieces all cut. They look so cute. And I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to the top of the mug here. And I'm going to add this little foam, just like that. And we'll let that set for a second. And we'll bring this back in and start gluing these pieces. So I'm going to glue my matte piece to my base, and then I'm going to glue the white piece to the black piece. So we'll let that set for a second. Now I'm going to bring in the center part, and I'm going to glue these two pieces together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp Happy Birthday on the bottom of this piece. And I inked it up in the black. And I just stamped it there near the bottom. And now I'm going to pop this up with the dimensional, 2 dimensionals. That's going to go right there. And now we're going to make our little pocket. To make the pocket, we're going to flip it over on the back side, and we're going to put tear and tape on the edges, 2 edges. Don't put any tape on the diagonal. Okay, so we tape the back. Again, no tape goes on the diagonal. Flip them back over so we can see the side that we want. We're going to lay this one down first, and this is going to create our pocket. The reason I used the tape was because it is a pocket, and that little piece is going to be pulled in and out. I just wanted to make sure it was extra strong. And then this piece is going to go on top just like that. So just peel off that backing on our tear and tape. Line up the left edge and the bottom. And that creates your pocket. So that piece can slide in. There you go. That's your card. And then on the back, I have OLS, and that's where I would sign it too, or write your little note, whatever you like. So I thought this was such a cute little card. And it's a Fast Friday card, right? It really didn't take that much time or materials, supplies to make. So I thought it was a good card for today. So today is my 5th video of my Brewed for You series. I hope you enjoyed it. Here are some of the other cards that we made. We made the pretzel and beer card, the gift card holder, the fun 2-fold card, and then our OALS card, which opens like that. So I do hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and leave your comments. Comments will be entered to win today's card, and I'll announce the winners on Monday. If you enjoyed my video, please share it with a friend. Leave a like, and of course your comments. And I will see you Monday at noon. Nancy at noon. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.